Why do thousands of art enthusiasts turn to Allison Prior for inspiration? Allison Prior is a multi-talented artist who wears many creative hats. From portrait artist to children's book illustrator and even singer-songwriter, she's got it all covered. But here's the best part. Allison offers online painting and drawing lessons. Jump into her engaging tutorials on YouTube and Patreon, where she breaks down easy techniques, tips and tricks. Imagine learning to paint a captivating seascape or a cute panda bear step by step from the comfort of your home. Allison's unique style isn't just about creating art, it's about creating a community. Her down-to-earth teaching approach makes everyone feel welcome, whether you're a seasoned artist or just picking up a brush for the first time. And did we mention she's also a talented musician? Yep, Allison's creative journey includes enchanting music performances too. Curious? Head over to www.allisonpriorart.com to join her vibrant community and start your artistic adventure today. Unlock your potential with Allison Prior, where creativity meets inspiration.